You know what's my favorite thing to be asked? What's your favorite movie? Because the moment someone asks that, I get the perfect excuse to yap about perfect days. Hi, this is Sushi, and I'm here to convince you to watch my favorite movie. Now, if you ask me what's the movie about, honestly, I don't have an answer. But hear me out. This isn't a movie with a dramatic plot. It just follows a man, Hirayama, who is an introvert, quiet, reserved public toilet cleaner in Tokyo, living in his tiny little house. And you might think, okay, and that's it. It sounds silly to the point of nothingness, but weirdly, that's why it hits so hard. As the movie progresses, you start living his life with him. You start picking up his habits, the way he wakes up, the way he waters his plants, gets a drink from the vending machine, plays his cassettes. You start recognizing the patterns before they actually even happen. You know where he showers, where he eats dinner, which tiny restaurant he loves, where he parks his van, where he goes to have lunch. By the end, you basically know this man's entire world and you keep thinking about him. I still do. He barely talks, but by watching him, you begin to notice the world the way he does. The silence, the trees, the tiny things. And somehow I actually caught myself wanting his life. Imagine wanting the life of a public toilet cleaner. I know. But that's the power of this movie. That's the power of this character. You don't even know his full backstory, but he feels ridiculously close to you. The tiny things stick with you long after the movie ends. How he carries a small paper bag inside his wallet and collects small plants from under big trees and water them. How he keeps his keys, wallet, camera, everything in a perfect order every day. How he looks at the sky every day when he steps outside in the morning and feels the weather. And don't even get me started with the final act. Interpret however the hell you want, and every interpretation still feels right. Ever since I watched it, every time I see sunlight passing through the trees, I think Hirayama would have liked this. It's crazy how deeply this movie stays with you. For me, 5 stars, 10 on 10. So if you're still not convinced, just watch it anyways because you will know why it's my favorite movie. Bye.